This is a technical devlog, so it runs the risk of becoming boring, so to keep it interesting, I'm going to steal a trick from Nuriel and add an explosion every now and again. You know how I vaguely said that I was going to upload semi-consistently? What do you mean they don't read all of my comments? Anyway, that was because I was making this.
Amadas! Super Mario Sassy! Woohoo!
I was originally going to finish it off and release it before Christmas, but I decided this was far more interesting instead. There's also this even more exciting program that means you can type more than just ones and zeros, and it means you don't have to change half your existing code every time you add more code. But in all seriousness, there are some more interesting things you can do with it, like this program that calculates 1 plus 1 using about 250 lines of Bagembly and 2 2-bit integers. That's because BagnaryCode only supports 4 instructions, which would be the absolute minimum if it wasn't for the stop command I generously threw in there. Meaning there aren't any high-level features like adding numbers, or unconditionally jumping without first loading a constant into the accumulator. Anyway, I could make it work with 3 or 4-bit integers, but that would take about double the code. At least I don't have to manually link the pointers like in some of the earlier programs though. Speaking of pointers, they're the main feature of Bagembly. Along with using words and mortal human numbers instead of binary, you can put a pointer anywhere in your program and then reference it as a compile time constant. This will surely save many a headache, if you exclude the headaches that went into debugging it in the first place. That's about it for BagnaryCode itself, unless you read the docs. So on to the test programs. There's this one that makes a flashing pixel by toggling a RAM address, one that saves a 1 to RAM, a conditional jump, and the most exciting one of all, the not loop chain. I'll just call it the Leak Snake 2, because trust me, my uncle's dog works for Nokia, or whichever company owns it. Huh, Nokia only popularised it. There's obviously a lot more you can do with it if you want. I'll add the repository in the description. Maybe I'll make a new instruction set at some point with advanced features like adding 2 numbers together. I could also add customizable I/O, which might be cool, but that's a whole system I don't feel like creating at the moment. So maybe I'll finish Super Mario Sassy for next Christmas, or I'll release it in July or something and call it fashionably late. I don't know. Bye.